If you have a floating button on your iPhone screen and you want to get rid of it, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to remove that floating home button in just a few simple steps. This button is called AssistiveTouch, and while it can be useful for quickly accessing different iPhone controls, you might not want it constantly sitting on your screen. So let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Now, look for the option called Touch and tap on it. At the top of this page, you'll see AssistiveTouch. As you can see, if AssistiveTouch is turned on, you'll have that small floating button appearing on your screen. To remove it, simply tap on AssistiveTouch and then turn off the switch next to it. As soon as you turn it off, go back to your home screen and you'll notice that the floating button has completely disappeared. That's all you need to do. And if you ever want to bring the button back, you can simply return to Settings, tap Accessibility, then Touch, select AssistiveTouch, and turn it back on. AssistiveTouch can actually be helpful if you want quick access to things like the Home button, Control Center, notifications, screenshots, or other iPhone functions. But if you don't use it, turning it off will keep your screen looking much cleaner. So if that floating button was annoying you, this is the quickest way to remove it from your iPhone. And that's it for today's video. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more simple iPhone tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.